You know I'm impatient, so why would you leave me waiting outside the station when it was like -4 degrees? And I get what you're saying, I just really don't wanna hear it right now. Can you shut up for like once in your life? Listen to me, I took your nice words of advice about how you think I'm gonna die lucky if I turn 33. Okay, so yeah, I smoke like a chimney, I'm not skinny and I pull a Britney every other week. But cut me some slack, who do you want me to be? Cause I'm too messy, and then I'm too fucking clean. You told me get a job, then you ask where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect till I